Hey guys, here we go again. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Mustang Boss 302. This comes from David in San Diego, California. And David has requested just the modern internal conversion to add FM. He requested that it's wired to his original connector, so the radio just plugs right back in. And the only drawback to that is that you don't get that big increase in output power in that configuration. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so we can test a couple things during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright stuff. So here we go.
The Big Naughty and Beasley Flat picnic grounds and the Black Canyon fishing site. It's proposed those fees would be increased to $5 per vehicle. The night fees at the playground group campground would remain the same, but the maximum group size would be set at 75 due to resource damage.
Okay, so let's go over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So here we go. Off on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Pues esa sanación, esa liberación a su hijo a través de la exploración de intercesión que...
It's about 9 o'clock.
Okay, so there's that. Let's try the 8-track.
Thanks for making... Okay.
Pull the tape out and the radio comes back, and that completes the test. This one doesn't have like virtual balance and fader and all that Bluetooth stuff to mess with, so this is a pretty quick test. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you just seen what I could do to an old AM radio. I can add FM. We can also have Bluetooth, USB, other stuff. And so I would like to thank David for his business from California. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.